Alright, so I had makeup on already. I'm getting a little oily going on, so I'm going to take this off, and then I'm going to get to this, which they did. They gave me, let's see, get them all ready. These, you got to shake it, shake it, and then you got the blush. But we're going to do the glow, which is a love. I'm excited for all these, so hold on. Okay, so here we go. So you gotta take this, it's got a long cord, you gotta hold it like you're holding a pen. It says very lightly, so you don't want to be spraying, you know, like all around there so it doesn't get all stuck up in there, and you put the drops right here, so hold on. Alright, forgot. We gotta plug this baby in first. Right here, there's a hole right here. You gotta go plug it in. Oops. Alright, so you gotta shake it. About 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, this, you must be getting close. Alright, it's plugged in. I kinda can't show you. Yeah, I can. Got enough. It's got a really long cord. Okay. So then this is really long itself. This is the first time you're gonna have to turn it on. Oh, okay. You hear it? Okay. It's on. Air's already coming out, so. Whoa. See, I don't understand that. Okay, hold on. Alright, we're gonna do this. Try it. There we go. Okay, I feel it now. Okay, I feel it. I feel it. I like the way it feels. It feels really cool. It's a little light for my, even though I'm not that tan. It's pretty cool. Okay. Push your hair back. Make sure you get your whole forehead. Here just fall. Okay, this is the first time. I think I'm running out of stuff already. Okay. Doesn't look bad. Then you let go of the stylus. You make sure it's always on that. Air always keeps coming out. I don't know, but I'm liking it. Right there, you can see I splashed it up a little bit. So I'm just going to take my finger. It's nighttime. So I'm just use my finger, blot it in. Because right now I'm going to go in with the glow. We're going to turn it off. And we're going to go in with the Love. It's called Love. And this stuff is cool. It's supposed to glow your face. But we're going to shake it. Shake it! Ooh. Okay. Now, we're going to do this. We're going to take this. This is Love. This is the, I think I shook it. This is a hydrating illuminator. Okay, we got that. We're going to drop it in. I know. We'll put a couple up in there. Alright, we're gonna turn it. We're gonna turn it on. And pray for the best. This is glow. Ooh. Ooh, I kinda like that. Hopefully I'm close enough. But you can totally tell when it runs out, but then it'll just blow air. So hopefully I did it. Okay. I just want to hit the high points in my face. Right there, like right there. See? I'll go right there. See how it totally has a glow. That is freaking cool. We're gonna do